is a waterfall in Jasper National Park on the upper Athabasca River, approximately 30 kilometers, which is 19 miles south of the townsite of Jasper, Alberta, Canada, and just west of the Icefields Parkway. Athabasca Falls is a Class 5 waterfall with a total drop height of 24 meters, 79 feet, and a width of 46 meters, 151 feet. Malay Canyon is a slot canyon located in the Jasper National Park near Jasper, Alberta, Canada. Eroded out of the Palliser Formation, the canyon measures over 50 meters, 160 feet deep. Popular for sightseeing and exploration, the area contains waterfalls, underground stream outlets, birds, and plant life. Waterfalls Falls is a pair of waterfalls of the Water River located in Jasper National Park, Alberta, Canada. The falls are accessible via a 600 meters, 2,000 feet access road off the Icefields Parkway, which connects Jasper and Banff National Parks. The falls have a drop of about 18.5 meters, 61 feet, sunwalk. Tangle Falls is a multi-tiered waterfall located in Jasper National Park along Icefields Parkway. It has 4 drops and is 48 meters tall. Tangle Falls is 30 meters at its widest.